This is a balut. You see? Yeah.
What do you want? Salt or vinegar?
Doesn't look like you have a choice in the matter anymore.
They will try a balut for the very first time in his life.
No free will. He has to do it.
Yeah.
Joel, are you having one too? You're having some too.
Yeah?
Really?
I think I better not.
Yeah, you should try it. Oh. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, you start that way.
I've seen pictures.
Hole in the top.
I think mine's rotten.
If we're gonna do it, be on.
Yeah, he needs one too.
Okay.
You're gonna be out.
Join in.
You gotta drink first.
Oops. Mmm. How's the taste?
No salt yet? No salt yet?
Look at all these cameras. What is it, paparazzi?
Come on, Mike. Can I put salt in? This is your initiation. Yeah, I can put salt in my hair. I can put salt in it now too?
Yun nga po eh, hindi ko nga alam eh. Sinabi ni si Teresa, kain daw silang balot.
Should I do that?
Wow.
Oh, good. That's good, Mike. Just like a.
You see the meat?
Just hard-boiled egg. That's all it is. Tell yourself hard-boiled egg.
Put more vinegar.
It's hard
No
boiled.
vinegar eh. Oh, puro is salt lang.
Oops.
Hard boiled egg.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Susie, do you ever make
Done with
them?
us. Do it bye bye.
Susie, do you make them?
Mm-hmm.
Do you make these? Probably.
Commercially made.
You don't make
Yeah.
Oh,
Yummy.
we can pickle it too.
Pickle already. Need a piece of toast. Toast, butter, and
That's nice with coffee.
coffee. Yeah.
Good job.
Problem
honey.
is the soap not full.
Good job.
Balut, but
Good job. Good job, Barbie.
You should try it. Please.
Hard part. You need the hard part. You
Have a
done?
seat. You want to sit? They're almost finished the
You're almost done?
one egg. Wow. Very impressive. And in my no dream, ayoko talaga kumain ng ganyan.
Sabi mo sa kanya, ito mag-alalan dito. Wow.
Toast and cheese whiz would be good.
You see, you can try it. Come on.
Oh, he ate it all.
Yay!
That's hooray or surrender?
Yeah. Come on. So, ayan, naubos sila yung balot. Ayan, Filipino balot. Ayan na. Wow. Congratulations.